everyone, welcome to the World of Social Studies project. Today Group C will deliver speeches on freedom fighter of our country.
My name is Khalid Ahmed. I am going to say about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is also called as the father of our nation. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name was Putlibai Gandhi. He took his law degree from UK. He was a great freedom fighter. He started Satyagraha movement against the British rule. He was a great believer in non-violence. He was a man of simple living and high thinking. He also advocated for the use of khadi. He was very truthful and honest. He died on 30 January 1948. Thank you.
Respected teachers and guardians, I am Hasin Mehtab of class 5. Today I am going to explain some points about Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was born in 14 November 1889 at Allahabad. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day due to his love and affection towards the children. He belongs to a community of Kashmiri Pandits. That is why he was known as the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He has completed graduation from Trinity College, Cambridge, with an honours degree in natural science. He had practiced law from the Inner Temple, London. He had married to Kamala Nehru on 8 February 1918. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru and was a great Indian leader. He remained loyal Gandhi even after the later calls of non-cooperation movement. He was the first to host Indian tricolors in 1929, demanding independence from India. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He served India as the Prime Minister till 27 May 1964. Thank you.
Hello, I am Ishan Sarkar and today I am describing about Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a great freedom fighter in the Indian freedom struggle. He was amongst first leaders who demanded self-rule for India. He gave the slogan, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it." Bal Gangadhar Tilak was an intelligent student from childhood. In the year 1877, he obtained his Bachelor of Art degree from Deccan College of Pune. Tilak and Agarkar started two newspapers, Maratha and Kesari. Tilak promoted nationalism through this newspaper. He was given the title of Lokmanya, which means admired by the people. He was born on 23rd July 1856 in Chikhali and he died on 1st August 1920 in Mumbai. He wrote the book Gita Rasya when he was imprisoned in Mandale for 6 years. His real name was Keshav. His father's name was Gangadhar and his mother's name was Parvati Bai. Bal Gangadhar Tilak will be always remembered for his contribution in the Indian freedom struggle. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sudipta Sarkar and I am describing about freedom fighter Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai, also popularly called as Jhansi Ki Rani, was born in Varanasi in 1828 and died in 1858, Madhya Pradesh. Her birth and the maiden name was Manikarnika, which after her marriage with Maharaja Gangadhar Rao in 1851 was changed to Lakshmi Bai. Her adopted son was Anand Rao, whom the king and queen later named after their deceased son Damodar Rao. The Britishers and Rani Lakshmi Bai engaged in the so-called the First War of Indian Independence in 1857, where Rani Lakshmi Bai declared the war with the slogan, "I will not hand over Jhansi." She was joined by her childhood friends and noble freedom fighters Tantia Top and Nana Saheb in the battle against the British troops. After fighting in the war, Rani Lakshmi Bai even fought death physically. but will always be remembered as one of the bravest warriors of Indian history. Thank you.
Hello, myself Harshita. Today I am going to describe about freedom fighter Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose played a very important role in the freedom struggle. He became the president of Congress twice. He was popularly known as Netaji because of his hard work and great leadership. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. His father name was Jankinath Bose, who was lawyer, and his mother name was Parvati Bose. Netaji was an intelligent student. He took admission in Presidency College in Kolkata. He was highly influenced by the teaching of Ramakrishna Paramhans and Swami Vivekananda. He found Azad Hind Fauj, or Indian National Army, of around 43,000 soldiers to fight against the British rule. On 4th July 1944, he gave the famous slogan, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom." It was assumed that he was died on a plane crash on 18 August 1945, but his body was never recovered. Thank you.
Hello, my respected principal ma'am and social ma'am. Today I am describing about Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a popular freedom fighter in independence movement. He born September 28, 1907 in to a Sikh family, Punjab, India. The Bhagat Singh, an Indian soldier, became a nice soldier of a Bhagat Singh by British rule. In the after the Bhagat Singh independence, two cultivator and habited British in the cultivator. The Bhagat Singh was a non-notification abstract on a Bhagat Singh by E. Ali Afran. The Bhagat Singh in independence and republic movement to a vast support at that struggle. No, and Bhagat Singh and Mahatma Gandhi was a best soldier of India by articles E. Ali Rahman. In the Bhagat Singh was a cultivation known as E. Ali Rahman. Thank you.
We thanks all the parents, head ma'am, principal ma'am, and our social studies Jeenat ma'am for her continuous guidance and support. Thank you.